Yeah.
Hey, so I am recording. So yes, thank you so much for taking the time to do this with me. So you have got Copywriter in your pocket, right? That's what you've been
I
working with.
have.
Yeah. How
Yes.
have you been
Yeah.
finding it?
I am astounded by the content. It is covers areas that I would never even dreamt of. And it's like every time I look at it, it just looks like, wow, that's another area that I wouldn't have thought of. Um, if I'm just going to look at it right now, just because it helps me just clarify what it
Because there's a
is.
lot in there, isn't there? It's quite
So much in there, and just the categories that you just wouldn't even have dreamed of. Some of the words, like for instance, which is relevant to me, is like empathetic, tough love. You know, that's one that stood out for me. I was like, oh, just putting those two things together. You
yeah.
know, um, I uh, I just feel confident going forward that I can have consistency because I would zigzag and go, yeah, I think this is what my brand voice is, but I really, it's just me. But at the same time, I would flip-flop. And so this is going to give me the consistency. And yeah, yeah, so I'm really delighted about it.
Excellent. So yeah, I mean, before you started using it, I
Mm.
guess how have you in the past found, I guess, just writing copy in general, and then also maybe your experience with AI up until now as well.
Well, actually, I I was thinking copyrighted in your pocket. I was thinking and I bought it because it's really highly recommended to me. And then I just sat on it for quite a while, not looking at it, because I thought, well, I can use AI to copyright stuff. Like, okay, but I'm meeting with Kathy. I better look at it. And um, and then I looked at it and I went, holy crap, this is beyond copywriting. This is, and I was saying, wow, I just couldn't believe. Sorry, I know this is quite vague, but compared to just getting somebody to copyright or getting the internet to copyright for you versus your content, your guidelines for it, it's just, I don't know, what's that phrase? It's just, it's completely opposite from, it just goes beyond what you dreamed of.
Okay, well, thank you. That's really good to hear.
I know
So
it sounds so vague. I don't mean it to sound vague, but
no, that's fine. I mean, are you? I think based on what we've kind of spoken about as well, like you finding being able to really train it in your brand voice quite helpful.
yes, yeah, yeah. Let me just go on to this again, because sometimes I just need to have those prompts on. I need prompts,
You need
so
prompts. There you go.
I
Yeah,
need
yeah.
prompts, and but just being able to, I guess what it does is help you clarify your brand voice as well,
Yeah.
and being able to grow your brand voice beyond what you thought you could.
Yeah. Because it's
It's
tricky. It's a hard thing to do. Like, you know,
yeah, yeah,
being able to sort of write, get it out of your head, get it sounding how you
mm,
want it to sound, and still also not be and still be like relevant in a kind of sale, not salesy, but still having that kind of marketing
yeah.
angle to it.
It's taken away all my fear about being pushy as well. So
Oh, amazing.
because yeah, because um it's so holistic, it's a really it's like a full 360 on copywriting or on your brand voice as opposed to one area. Because maybe I would have just considered one part, but actually the 360 of it covers, everything. And it's just beyond what anything I would have expected.
Excellent.
Yeah,
Thank you. I think,
yeah, yeah,
yeah, I will leave it. Well, do I have any other questions?
yeah.
No, I think I'll
I know
leave
I
it
said,
there. I'm just,
yeah,
I'm really pleased that you're
yeah,
enjoying it and that it's
yeah,
helping. I mean, that's kind of
yeah.
the main point here.
Yeah, I mean, I wish I had, I can't remember everything I said the other day, but it was just so cool. I'm just looking again at the example brand voice guide,
Mhm.
and like I said, yeah, the prompts are stunning, absolutely stunning, and just the holisticness of it,
Mhm.
and um, and it makes me so excited. to
That's
have it as
good.
well.
Yeah. Yeah.
So excited. And I think, oh my God, I have hope for for a business future as well.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
Because when we spoke the other day, you've kind of given you the clarity to kind of go with a new business idea, right?
Yeah, absolutely. So beyond expectations. And that sounds too small to say it, actually. Because it's areas that I just hadn't even thought of. So to expand my vision. So maybe that's a good phrase. So you've expanded my vision for it.
Amazing. Wow. Thank you. That's great.
Yeah.
See, AI is awesome.
Yeah, it really is. It's really awesome. Yeah. I mean, yeah, super
Yeah.
excited. Yeah.
Cool. Thank you. Really appreciate that.
You're so welcome. Yeah.